we're just waiting on the arrival of Dave, the grab man, to come and take away the second load. Never ceases to amaze me. What took us all day Saturday and Sunday to shift, gone in 15 minutes. But I'm happy. So, concrete next Saturday morning. Can't wait, honestly. Well, hello people of YouTube. Start of weekend 3. It's Friday evening. I thought I'd give you a quick rundown on all the levels that I've set out, because we've got the concrete coming tomorrow morning. Not really sure you how I set out with the optical level, based on the fact that it's been absolutely belting it down all week, and we did it in the rain, and I just wanted to get it done, to be fair. But I'll take you outside and I'll show you how I've set my levels out for the concrete. Right, here's my datum level, the point which all the levels are going to be set. This should be roughly my damp proof course, where my damp proof will be installed at the finished height. I've set that roughly about 170mm above ground level. Bear in mind, normal DPC is about 150. That gives me a bit of height to play around with the garden when I come to do the landscaping as well. So from there, if you look down the trench there, it's filled with water. You can see it's been raining. But yeah, from there, I've set out 450 from a level point from the datum level. If you set those out there, as you can see, it's 17cm, 170mm, like I said. So what I've done is worked it out brick coursing to 6 courses of bricks, or 2 courses of breeze blocks, however you want to work it. And if you take a level across there and then level down to there, to that first pin, you can see, if you can see on the tape there, that works out to 6 courses of bricks. There you go, from that point there. And then each pin is levelled off the next and then checked with the optical level all the way around. And then what I do then is, because I've got some steel pins in the ground, that's going to be the height where the concrete's filled to, spray them with some white marker paint, so that as the level's filling up, you can see them popping through the concrete. There you go, there's my moat all the way around. There's a little bit of debris in there, but I'm not going to take it out tonight because there's a bit more rain forecast. But there you go, it's all ready. So then what I do then, work out the rough amount of, well, the exact amount of concrete really, but roughly a bit based on where it's caved in a little bit, is level distance from pin to pin. You've got length times the width of the trench times the depth to each pin, and then you do that all the way around, and that'll give you, add them all together. And here's my card. Look, the length to the first pin from the corner, 1.02 meters, trench is 0.48 or 480mm wide, and it's 35 centimeters or 0.35 of a meter deep, which gives you 0.170 cubic meters. And then you do that for everyone all the way around, and then tot all your totals up at the end, and that'll give you the exact amount of concrete that you want. On this particular one, we've got, I think it comes to 3.35 cubic meters, and we've got 3.5 cubic meters being delivered tomorrow morning. and I'll put the cameras up so that you can watch the concrete being delivered. Basically there's 3 of us on a barrow, me, the missus and the missus's dad, and we're just going to be tipping it in a trench and levelling it up, and you can have a look and watch that any second. Evening all. Sunday night and the weekend number 3. Concrete's in. I'll just show you yesterday, young lad. He's still here hiding. Oh, he's hiding, look, in his concrete footings. If you look here, look, you see just top of the pin, that's where we level the concrete to. So that's good as a perfect level. So then set out this string line here, which is 10 metres from the house. Gives us a baseline. And then from there I've systematically worked a square corner in on this side. I'm not going up that high with 2 closer blocks, just the 1, 3 course of bricks on top. I've worked that corner in square. You see my line on the scratched into the footing, and then I square off that one. And then for the mathematicians that are out there, the perfect diagonal is the length times itself added to the width times by itself, gives you an amount, and then you square root that, and that gives you a perfect diagonal. And you measure corner to corner, and each one's 6.7, which is spot on for square. So all ready for bricklaying next week. Hopefully next time you see the video will be the footing set out, and then I'll be setting out the floor slab. So if you like, click on the subscribe button.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
So hopefully next time you see me, we'll have the base all set out, do some bricklaying. So bye, Charlie.
Bye.